Round 1, chain 13. Add wire to last chain. Round 2, 2 single crochet in second chain from hook. Half double crochet. Double crochet increase, double crochet 3 times. Two half double crochet. Two single crochet. Two half double crochet. Double crochet increase 3 times. Half double crochet. Two single crochet. Slip stitch. Chain 1. Round 3, 3 single crochet. Six half double crochet. 6 single crochet. 3 single crochet in next stitch. Six single crochet. 6 half double crochet. 3 single crochet. Slip stitch. Round 1, chain 13. Add wire to last chain. Round 2, single crochet in second chain from hook. Half double crochet. Double crochet increase 3 times. Two double crochet. Half double crochet. Two single crochet. Half double crochet. Two double crochet. Double crochet increase, double crochet 3 times. half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch, chain 1, round 3, 2 single crochet, 9 half double crochet, 4 single crochet, three single crochet in next stitch, four single crochet, nine half double crochet, 2 single crochet, slip stitch, round 1, create a magic ring, chain 1, 5 single crochet in ring, tighten ring, slip stitch to join, chain 1, round 2, 5 single crochet increases, slip stitch to join, chain 1, round 3, single crochet increase, 5 times, slip stitch to join, chain 1, round 4, 4 single crochet increase, 3 times, slip stitch to join, chain 1, rounds 5 to 6 18 single crochet, slip stitch to join, chain 1, repeat this for both rounds 5 and 6, round 7, 5 single crochet increase, 3 times, slip stitch to join, chain 1, rounds 8 to 9 21 single crochet, slip stitch to join, chain 1, repeat this for both rounds 8 and 9, round 10, 6 single crochet increase, 3 times, change to white yarn, slip stitch to join, round 11, chain 3, Slip stitch in front loop. Chain 3. Slip stitch. "12 times. Start by splitting your yarn into 2 strands. Wrap those strands around a small section in the middle of your wire. Fold that wire and keep wrapping. Round 1, chain 55. Add 50 cm wire to last chain. Round 2, single crochet in second chain from hook. Half double crochet. "44 double crochet. "5 half double crochet. "2 single crochet. "2 single crochet in next stitch. "2 single crochet. 5 half double crochet. 44 double crochet. Half double crochet. Single crochet. Slip stitch to join. Pop that flower center right into the middle of your corolla. Grab your number 2 flower stem and start wrapping it with the corolla. Let's pop on those cute little petals one by one. Add those big, beautiful petals. Add those leaves you worked so hard on. A dab of glue here and there, and your creation is secure.